Kyle here for WraptorSkinz, and today we'll be taking a look at how to wrap a Juul Vape. First thing we're going to do is remove the small part that will allow our LED light to shine through. I'm going to use my X-Acto and grab that guy. We'll remove our top and our skin. We're going to use the top of the vape as our guideline while applying the skin. Run our finger down the length of our vape here. Make sure your LED light is able to be seen so you know that it's working. And now we recommend for this particular application using a heat gun or a hair dryer to apply a little bit of heat to work the edges over. This will also activate the adhesive and cause it to stick a little better. Just going to heat up one side here. That might have been a little too much, so we're going to go real slow. And we'll start in the middle and then work our ways to the edge. Just going to work this down. Going nice and slow. Over this next ridge. Again, working outward, this will help reduce wrinkles and bubbles. And then we'll come back and we'll do the same thing on this other side. Again, starting in the middle. I'm going really slow when wrapping this around. We'll just continue working this around. Slowly working over the edges. Same thing for this side. I'm going to hit it with a little heat again just to make sure that it's adhering to the vape really well. Then we'll reapply our top. And that's how you wrap a Juul Vape.